Welcome to the video portion of this project. Here is the main page of our website. Everything you see here was created from scratch. I wrote the HTML and CSS myself. At the top of the page, we've got a nav bar with all of our links to our different pages in this website. As you scroll down, you get the text of the page. We start with the problem on this main page, the problem being food waste. I'll give a pause every once in a while for you to read. After the problem, we have our mission statement. Our mission statement is to reduce food waste in Lane County by connecting businesses to food banks and reusing food waste in community gardens. After that, we have a what we can do section, and that goes into a little more detail on food banks and community gardens, just to catch people up. At the bottom of the page, we have a contributors list, which has my name as well as the names of my group mates. The nav bar has followed us down the page in the form of this little sticky sidebar here. And we'll start with the FAQ. The FAQ has several different questions, starting with how can I get involved, and then it gives a little more detail depending on who you are, if you're a business owner or if you're not. And after that, we have two more questions: why reduce food waste and why Eugene? The next bit of our website, the next page to go to, is the library. Our library has a list of links, some for getting involved, and some educational resources to learn more about community gardens, to learn more about supermarket food waste facts, and to learn more about fighting climate change by preventing food waste. The Get Involved link that you've seen on the sidebar does take you directly to this portion of the library page. The last page to look at is the budget. We've got $10,000 budgeted for transportation costs. That goes into the vans needed for transporting food from a business to a food bank and keeping it refrigerated all the way there, as well as gas and maintenance. Our administration cost goes into paying people to administrate and paying people to work. It's the human side of this project, as well as the management side. Then for equipment costs, that's anything from refrigerators to wheelbarrows for the gardens themselves if we're starting our own garden. Rent and utilities costs, that's another $5,000. Permit costs, it does cost a bit to start a community garden and to compost. And then advertising costs, we've budgeted $1,000 for that, with a total of $26,000. And then here, there's a little snippet about funding and ways people can support again. There's always a home button to get you back to where you started, and that is the sum total of our website. Thank you.